This is Oncore Lesson 48, and we're still talking about coordinate grids, positive and negative integers, and how we would find them. Now, any map or worksheet or anything like that that you would see, we make the assumption that it has a compass on it somewhere. Something on it that's going to tell you that north is this way, south is this way, east is this way, and west is this way. If it doesn't, it is poor planning on a worksheet. And with that being said, most of these don't have one. I don't make the worksheets, but north, south, east, west. So what our goal is going to be is to understand that anytime we're talking about going north, we're moving positively on the y-axis. Anytime that we're going south, that's negative on the y-axis because we're going down. Anytime we're moving east is positive on the x-axis, and anytime we're moving west is negative on the x-axis. So we're looking for a reference point. We don't have a coordinate grid in front of us, but that doesn't mean we can't solve these. So if we look at the example in the coordinate map, Clifton, an electronics store is located at +6, 6 to the right, -7, 7 down. Now a convenience store is located 7 units north. So I would go +6, and then I would go down -7. If I want to take a -7 and then go north +7, what I'm really talking about here is -7 plus +7, which will give me back to 0, back to the x-axis. So if I'm going +6, -7, and then I go back up a +7, my new coordinate grids, instead of being, my new coordinate point, instead of being +6, -7, will be +6, 0. So let's look at like 2 more of those just to help you out. Sonia and Lucas walk from school to library. They walk 5 blocks south and 4 blocks west. 4 blocks this way. So what we're really talking about is 5 blocks south, that's down, and 4 blocks west, that's that. So on on our coordinate grid, our x-axis is going to be left, -4, and we're going to go down 5, which is a -5. That's what we're moving. Now the school is located at a point that's +9, -1. 9 north and 1 west from the origin point. On a coordinate map, what are the map coordinates of the library? So we're walking from the school to the library. So if the school is at +9 and we are moving -4, what is 9 minus 4? That's going to be +5, and we're at -1 already, and we're moving from -1 on our y-axis to another -5, so -1 plus -5 gives me -6, +5, -6. Let's do one more just to help you out with this. So on the coordinate map, Sherry's house is at the point of +10, -2. The mall is at the point -4, -2. If each unit on the map represents 1 block, so we're going from here to here, the distance between Sherry's house and the mall. Just like in the other worksheets, one of the things that I've looked at is I noticed that both of these have -2 on the y-axis. That means that my up and down is going to be at -2. That's not going to change at all. So really what I'm talking about is moving from +10 to -4. Well, 10 to 0 will give me 10 units. To go to an additional 4 negatively will give me another 4 units, and 10 plus 4 is 14 units. And in this case, each unit represents 1 city block, so it's 14 blocks. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more just to drive it on home. Arthur left his job at 5:4, +5, +4 on a coordinate map and walked to his house at +5, -6. Each unit on the map represents 1 block. How far did Arthur walk? Again, I look for the commonalities, and I'm seeing that on my x-axis they're both +5. So really what I'm talking about is Arthur walked from +4 to -6. Well, +4 to 0 is 4 units, and then to go to -6 is another 6 units. 6 units of 4 units, that would be 10 units, and each unit is 1 city block. That's 10 blocks.